Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix keyboard writing in all caps in Windows 10. Several Windows 10 users have been experiencing keyboard issues on their Windows 10 computers wherein the keyboard types everything in capital letters. But don't worry, we've got you covered, as there are solutions you can do to fix this problem. In this video, we have gathered troubleshooting solutions to resolve keyboard writing in all caps issues on your computer. Don't let this frustrating problem slow you down. Watch our video now to learn how to resolve it. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to restart the computer. Restarting refreshes the computer's operating system, which could help fix glitches that may have caused this problem. To restart your Windows 10 computer, click the Start or Windows button at the bottom left corner. Then click on the power icon next, select Restart from the options. Allow the computer to restart completely, and once the computer completely restarts, check if the keyboard typing in all caps issue has been resolved. If not, proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to check your keyboard. There are instances when the caps lock keys get stuck or accidentally activated, causing the all caps writing when using your computer. Checking the keyboard can help in identifying the culprit for the issue to occur. First, inspect the caps lock key if it is physically stuck. If it is stuck, remove the key gently and then reinsert the caps lock key. Now you can also test whether the caps lock key is responsive or not by pressing the key. If the problem still persists after checking the keyboard physically, try using another keyboard, as the current keyboard may be defective, and then check if the problem will be fixed. Now, the third solution is to update keyboard drivers. Most of the time, issues can be caused by outdated or corrupt drivers. To fix this, make sure drivers are always up to date. To do this, press the Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run box. At the Run box, type dev mgmt.msc and press Enter. Device Manager. Click Keyboard to expand it. Right-click on your keyboard and select Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Select Search automatically for drivers. Once the best drivers are installed, click Close to exit, and then check keyboard writing in all caps has been resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The next solution is to check for language settings. Checking language settings ensures the correct language settings are configured, as incorrect language settings can cause issues. It may cause type issues such as this problem right here. To do this, press Windows or the Start button, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now, in Settings section, click Time and Language. Then click Language at the left pane. Next, at the right pane under Windows, Display Language, select the language according to one's preferences. And then check keyboard writing in all caps has been resolved. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.